I just want to show you all how quick it is to put up my wall shims to flatten those walls. So with the self-adhesive, what we'll do is I've got them marked at every foot, so I'll cut these off into 3-inch pieces here, or thereabouts. We'll put those on every foot. And I've already measured this one out, and these 1/4-inch shims are about the right size. The cool thing with my shims is you can build on and build on. I've got 1/8 inch and 16th inch, but right now I'm just going to run these up in the quarters. It takes a second sometimes to peel it free. When you do, just leave that back piece on so you don't have to peel each one of them. So here what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to put these on here. And I've got my board marked here of where 0 is. I've zeroed it off of my high point here. And so just with a hammer, small little hammer here. With my hammer, or your hammer, guys, you can just kind of beat this in until you're able to get right to that point. I don't know where this one went, but let's see. We're good here, good here, good here, good here, and good here. So that shows everything is good. It looks like I've got full touch, full touch, full touch, full touch. It reads plumb. That's where I bottom out here. It looks like I could maybe bring this one out a 1/16 of an inch. Again, I've got my backers come in 16th inch, 1/8 inch, and 1/4 inch. So we'll put this 16th inch backer here and just check everything. And that's money, folks. So that's it. So again, with the RodKat wall flattening shims, the advantage with ours is it has the self-adhesive. It comes in a 12-inch length, so you can cut it off to any bite-sized piece that you want. And you're able to stack them. I think you only really need the 3 sizes, 16th, 1/8, and 1/4, and then just build off of them. You can see kind of back here, a few places I've had to add, 16th inch onto 1/8s and onto 1/4s. But it's pretty cool. It's really nice how flat this gets, how good this self-adhesive's holding everything. And I'll do another video where I've mixed some thin set up, and we'll wet shim and screw this in. This is just the back wall of a shed I just had built, but it's a great place to show what we can do with our shims. They come in a few different ways. We've got a variety pack. So the variety pack has 16th, 1/8, and 1/4 inches in it. That's what's working perfect here. But I also just have 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch also. And I think that's all you need for sizes. I mean, if you're gonna build out like crazy, just build and stack. If you need to adjust them a little bit, just give them a whack, and they'll crush in. But look for these at either any of our RodKat partners. They'll have them on their sites, and then hopefully we get them into a few tile stores. Thanks for paying attention. Bye.